united. Everyone gets so excited, they don't know what they're thinking of. Folk who spend the winter freezing with the balmy breeze and simply lose their reason. They know it's the open season for falling in love. The young fall, the old fall, the red-hot mamas and the cold fall, from the lily white to the black as night, they all fall in love. The fools fall, the wise fall, the wet, the sprinkle and the dries fall, from the man who drinks to the man who winks, they all fall in love. You may believe your broker is very mediocre in playing with your stocks and bonds. At business he may blunder, but he's a perfect wonder when he plays with blondes. Old maids who object for old men you never would suspect for. Even babies much too young to crawl for, 'cause they all fall in love. Your pet parakeets fall, the English sparrow in the streets fall, from the early worm to the latest germ, they all fall in love. All bookworms on shelves fall, amoebas even for themselves fall, from the dove of peace to the wildest geese, they all fall in love. When strolling in the thicket, if you pick out a cricket and put it